Hello friends, welcome to my channel Understanding Academic Fundamentals. If you are happy with the content, please like the video, share with your friends, share your feedbacks in comments and don't forget to subscribe. Okay, so in my last video of database series, we have discussed about the constraints and how to create table using constraints with the help of demo. Okay, so till now we have just focused on the single table, or you can say that the single entity, correct. Now a database is a collection of multiple entities together, correct, and we can say that it deals with the interrelated data. Okay, so when there are more than one table, so we can say that these tables can be related with each other. Okay, we can take example as a employee. Okay, now employee is an entity, so this employee is having its own information, correct, employee table. Now employee is working in an organization, correct, organization is my another entity which is having its own information. Now employee is associated with organization, correct, employee belongs to an organization, so these two different entities are related with each other. Okay, now we can take one more example. Teacher teaching to a class, correct, and class consists of students. Okay, so my three different entities, teacher, class and student, are linked with each other and they are associated with each other, correct. Teacher is teaching to class and class consisting of students. So in this way there are different relationship in DBMS, so your tables are related with each other. Okay, so relationship is nothing but the association among entities. Okay, now different relations are there: one to one, one to many, many to one, many to many. Okay, starting with one to one relation. One to one means one entity belongs to exactly one entity. Okay, so my entity A belongs to entity B, correct. Now for example, one employee works in one company, correct. One employee can work in one company, one to one relation. Okay, next is one to many relation. One entity belongs to more than one entities, like this. Okay, for example, one teacher teaching to many class, correct. One teacher teaching to many class, one entity belongs to many entities, and we can have one class can have many students, again one to many relation. Okay, understood? This is one to many relation. One entity belongs to more than one entities. Next is many to one relation. Many entities belongs to single entity. Okay, for example, we can take employees. Many employees work in single organization, correct. Many employees work in single organization, many to one. Okay, many devices are connected to a single Wi-Fi device, many to one relation, understood. Next is many to many relation. Many entities belongs to many other entities. Okay, like this. Many entities belongs to many other entities. For example, many doctors can treat many patients. Okay, many doctors can treat many patients. Understood? So these are different relations: one to one, one to many to one, and many to many. Okay. Now to specify these relations in table, we require key or identifiers. Okay. So in my next video, I am going to explain you how to specify these relations in create table with help of demo. Okay. Thank you.